Among the several reasons why cracks may appear on your asphalt driveway is the failure of the asphalt to bond well during the initial installation of your driveway and the effects of weather and temperature conditions, such as extreme hot and cold. This video shows you how to repair cracks wider than a ½ inch wide on your asphalt driveway. Depending on the size of the crack, there are two options in the EpoxyShield family: EpoxyShield pothole filler and EpoxyShield depression filler and leveler. To successfully complete this task, be sure to have the following items on hand before you begin. To get started, brush the crack to remove loose dirt. Use a screwdriver to loosen material if need be. You could also use a wet dry vac to clean the area if that is preferred. When using pothole filler, use your trowel to apply material into the crack, enough to form a small mound slightly above the level of the surrounding asphalt surface. Next, tamp the material into the crack until the filler is down to the same level as its surrounding surface. Once the tamping is done, allow the material to sit and cure for at least 2 weeks before applying EpoxyShield sealer. If you're using depression filler and leveler, scoop and spread the material into the crack and level with your spatula. Allow material to cure for a full 24 hours before driving on or applying sealer to the surface.
Thank you for using Rust-Oleum. For nearly 100 years, we've been giving people the power to change.